Hi, I'm Billy Mitchell with FedScoop TV. Today I'm here with Dr. Joseph Ronzio, the Deputy Chief Health Technology Officer for the Department of Veterans Affairs. How are you, Joseph?
Very good.
Great to hear. Today we're here at the Security Through Innovation Summit, and I want to talk to you a little bit about the initiatives and issues going on around federal cybersecurity. Specifically, I want to start off by talking to you about this massive $3 billion modernization fund, and I wanted to get an idea. Do you think it's a good idea? And if it were to be passed, what do you think? Where would you like to see that money go in the VA?
So this gets to be fun. If I was running a business, I'd be saying this is a horrible idea because of the poor planning and then the incentivizing of poor planning. However, in government right now, we've got a tremendous uplift that we need to do to institute some security to truly protect information as it goes on. And some of this has fallen behind. Again, I can't state anything other than some people made some bad decisions on different things through history. So as we go through this uplift, it's going to take that type of Herculean effort. Where would I like to see it go? I really hate saying this, but I'd like to see us move towards the service models the way the industry has led. Cloud services, everyone wants to say it's a new thing. It's not. Shared fee-for-service has been around for ages with hardware, software as a service models. We need to get out of the fact that we're going to put ourselves in this bad situation again if we don't have a capability to enforce the budget spending on a way that forces security posturing. And some of that's going to be through outsourcing it and having a monthly fee to outsource it. So Amazon Web Services and other areas that can actually meet a FISMA moderate to a FISMA high standard and do so safely and securely, paying them monthly would actually help us. Instead of having some software and servers inside of the data centers that actually are not being maintained correctly.
Sure. And then moving on, I wanted to talk a little bit about the balance between information sharing and also kind of securing that sensitive information. After 9/11, there's kind of been a thrust towards the sharing of it. But I was wondering if it might be shifting back now towards the, being more security prone. How do you see that, and where do you see the balance, where that balance should kind of go?
I'm on the VA side, so I don't play in that realm that much on my normal day job. However, we have a different problem with information sharing, and that has to be to ensure that the patient actually has their health information as it goes across. I'm not seeing that shift on ownership. In fact, within the VA, Dr. Jesse, Dr. Shulkin, and the rest of them have all made it very clear that we're going to share the information that we're only holding the veteran's health information on behalf of them. And that fits in very well. As a veteran myself, I want to ensure that I get the best health care and that I end up being able to utilize that information appropriately. And that includes a lot of research projects. Now, it's very easy within the VA to say that because we have one of the largest research arms in the United States. But again, people outside the VA are doing great jobs at research, and being able to work with the Apple Health Kit, Apple Research Kit is going to be phenomenally beneficial in the long run.
And then closing us out, what major, or maybe not major, but what kind of policy changes have you seen in the last 12 months that have kind of made your job easier?
It's been interesting. It's a combination between policy and what vendors have accomplished. On the policy side, we've actually clarified different information security postures within the VA that make our job easier as technologists. So we've been more specific, not just relying on different guidance that's been put out there. And on the industry side, we've seen a lot of places step up and institute the FISMA high controls within cloud infrastructures so that we can actually play better in those spaces. So you can pick and choose what controls you need. I need a FISMA moderate server and data architecture, but I need specific FISMA high controls. And those combined are going to make life easier, at least from the healthcare side. And I think we're going to notice several other healthcare entities, as we've seen the recent attacks and ransomwares take hold, move to that type of a data structure. Just saying you're HIPAA aware or HIPAA secure is not going to be good enough. You're going to need to understand how you can implement FISMA high controls to really back up what you say.
Sure. Well, great stuff, Joe. I appreciate you stopping by.
Thank you very much.
Absolutely. I'm Billy Mitchell with FedScoop TV. Thanks for watching.